So let us start the session. I don't know, madam said before 12 we'll start the class, complete as soon as possible. 12. Why? Because 11 o'clock I'm free, few days. That's why early I start the class. Clear up to here? So let us start the session. So today I will provide full backup related SolidWorks. Actually, I'm creating one channel. We- For every day, I upload a new video for SolidWorks. Okay. AutoCAD channel is a different, SolidWorks channel is a different. Just started. I will. Okay, I will share the link. After complete, I will share it. Okay. So here, welcome to eLearn Academy demonstration of SolidWorks 2020. So let us start introduction. Introduction to SolidWorks, right? SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a solid modeling software. SolidWorks is a solid modeling software developed and marketed by Dassault Corporation. Dassault Corporation. Clear? Dassault Corporation. Which year? 1977. 77. Avion Marcel Dassault is a co-founder of French manufacturing company. Just everyone listen the class, right? Not repeat, only listen the class. Okay. Avion Marcel Dassault is a co-founder of French manufacturing company. Clear up here? And he is a CEO. CEO of Dassault Corporation. Dassault, what is CEO? Chief Executive Officer. Is it clear up to here? Understand totally? It is an integrated part of PLM. Integrated part of PLM. CAQC, CAPP, CIM, CDM. Clear up to here? Understand totally? Concept clear? So what is PLM? What is PLM? PLM is nothing but PLM is nothing but product life cycle management. Right up to here, it is a authorized partners of Modeling software. Modeling software. Clear up to here? Understand everyone? Okay. PLM consider three phase. PLM consider three phase. First one is phase 1. Second, phase 2. Third one is phase 3. Clear? Suppose if you want to develop a product of watch, right? So what are the detail is required, right? With the help of computer support application software, choose any application software for modeling sector, right? To create this kind of design. For design requirement of 2D and 3D, right? So after 3D, make assemble. After assemble, animation of parts. Animation of parts comes under phase 1. Clear up to here? Understand? Srinath, up to here? Hello? Right. Concept clear? Phase 1, write down. PLM, phase 1. PLM, phase 1. For example, create a design of watch. Create a design of watch. So what types of requirement? Requirement is one system and one application software. Clear up to here? One system and one application software. System may be desktop or laptop. Clear up to here? Understand totally? So this is for system. Application software such as SolidWorks, CATIA, such as SolidWorks, CATIA, PTC Creo, NXCAD, etc. So many application software. Clear now? To develop this kind of design. Right up to here, Srinath. Okay. Next step, generate blueprint. Using a Sketcher module and 2D tool. Generate blueprint using a Sketcher module and 2D tool. Right up to here, Srinath. Develop ideas. Develop ideas. What is the ideas? Thinking, right? Imaginary thinking. So what kind of design develop? What kind of unique design for watches? There's so many design na for watches, so many shape, right? Sometimes circular shape, sometimes hexagonal shape, right? Understand totally? So this kind of idea develop, imaginary idea in mind. Understand? So next one is analyze. Next one is analyze is nothing but market analyze, price and publish analysis. Clear up to your understand? In market, what kind of unit design available right now? If you purchase some smart watches, a smartphone, design of watch purchase, right? Unique type of design clear enough to you? Understand, Srinath? To develop drawing and design. To develop drawing and design using tool CAD. Using tool CAD. Clear up here. So these are comes under phase one. These are comes under phase one. Clear up to your right. Understood? Clear, Srinath, up to your. Okay. Completed this one. Full form of CAD. Computer. Ah, SolidWorks also comes under CAD now. AutoCAD also comes under CAD. Yes. Computer aided drawing, three sections. In AutoCAD, only two sections, drawing and drafting. But here three sections, modeling software. Drawing, design, drafting. Drawing is a 2D, design is a 3D, drafting 2D view. Concept clear? Computer aided design, computer aided drafting. I will elaborate. So what is drawing, what is design, and what is drafting? Clear up to here? What is a drawing? Making a shape of 2D curve. Making a shape of 2D curve using a sketching tool. Clear up to here? Tools such as draw tool, modify tool. Clear up to here? Dimensions, etc. Is it clear up to here, right? Srinath, everyone? So this is for drawing, right? This kind of supplying information are known as computer aided drawing. Right up to here, everyone? Srinath? Over. Completed. So write down what is design. Create a prototype. Create a prototype model. Using part design. Using part design module. Surface design module. Sheet metal module. And assembly module. Concept clear. For part design, create a 3D prototype model. Create a 3D prototype model. For surface design, create a surface model. Create a surface model. For sheet metal design, create a surface model. Of less thickness. Clear up to here. Less thickness. In sheet metal, industries occur 0.1 millimeter up to 15 millimeter. 0.1 millimeter up to 15 millimeter thickness. Not more than 15 millimeter, right? But in part design, more than 15 millimeter. Clear up to here? Understand, Srinath? For assembly. Assembly is nothing but arrangement of part. Arrangement of part. Parts may be solid, surface, or sheet. Concept clear? Up to here. Understand? After create a blueprint, you need to convert into solid, surface, or sheet. Clear up to here? Understand? What is a blueprint? Is nothing but 2D drawing, 2D view. 2D view, yes. 2D drawing and 2D view. Concept clear up to here? So this feature under phase 1, PLM. Concept clear, right? So next slide, over now. PLM phase 2. For product testing. For product testing. What type of testing? Animation or simulation? Is it clear up to here? For animation of design, using tool DMU kinematic mechanism. Clear up to here? Using DMU kinematic mechanism. There are different mechanism joint. Screw joint mechanism, cable joint mechanism, rack and pinion joint mechanism, prismatic mechanism, slide curve mechanism, rigid joint mechanism, revolute joint mechanism, revolute joint mechanism. Clear up here? A spherical joint mechanism, universal joint mechanism, etc. Clear up here? How a screw will rotate, how a screw will animate, right? How cable joint will animate, right now? Rack and pinion joint, how animate and how rotate, right? Prismatic, slide curve, rigid joint, revolute. For animation of fan, this fan under revolute joint, right? This fan is a moving now. This fan moving along clockwise, anti-clock. Tell me, which direction? Clockwise fan is moving, right? So this kind of joint known as revolute, 720 degree. Total 720 degree, not 360. 0 to 360 positive, 0 to negative 360. Total 720 degree. Clear up to here? Understand? This is the animation of product, not a single part, combined part animation. So single part animation not possible. For combined part animation possible. Clear up to here? This all fans part is combined, na? That's why animate. For single part no animate. Clear up to here? Understand totally? For simulation, for simulation of design, using software, ANSYS. Second one is Hypermesh. Clear up to here? For ANSYS, solve simulations of 1D, 2D, 3D or surface. Clear? Understand? For 1D, 2D, 3D surface. Product testing done under FEA, finite element analysis, finite element method, finite difference method, finite volume method. Concept clear? In this method, define mesh element, mesh quality, mesh element, mesh quality, mesh sizing, set degree of freedom, set boundary condition, apply multiphysics. What types of multiphysics? For structures, force, moment couple, line pressure, remote force. Clear up to here? Is it clear, Srinath? Completed up to here? Understand, Srinath? Nodal force, nodal displacement. Right on. Bolt pretension, bolt pretension, standard, earth gravity, acceleration, velocity, hydrostatic pressure, buckling load, bearing load, bearing load, etc. So this kind of boundary condition and multiphysics under a structure simulation. Clear up to here? Understand? Yes. This kind of supplying information are known as structural analysis. Is it clear up to here? Understand, Srinath? Structural analysis. Got it? Completed up to here? Okay. Yes. Animation is a mechanism joint. Simulation is a analysis. Clear? Understand? For 3D, thermal analysis. For 3D, thermal analysis. Set meshing, mesh element, mesh sizing, mesh method, write down. Mesh sizing, mesh method, mesh quality, mesh aspect ratio, boundary condition such as ambient temperature, room temperature. Clear? Temperature, convection, radiation, heat flux, internal heat generation. These are boundary conditions. These are boundary conditions. Is it clear, everyone? One second. Yeah. Temperature, convection, radiation, heat flux, internal heat generation. Clear up to here? Apply multiphysics. Temperature, total deformation, apply multiphysics. Yeah. Directional deformation, temperature, total deformation, directional deformation, heat flux, etc. So these are multiphysics, and this is for boundary condition. Clear up to here? Completed? For vibration, so these are common, only boundary condition change. Boundary condition. What happened? He left suddenly. Why? Okay, network issue maybe. For vibration, boundary condition such as frequencies distribute, frequency distribute, natural frequency, natural frequency with mode shape, frequency range, RMS, response spectrum, clear, root mean square, velocity, RMS, response spectrum, RSS is nothing but power spectral density, power spectral density. Clear up here? To set range of amplitude wave, amplitude wave. Clear? This is for vibration. Understand? For dynamic analysis, for dynamic analysis, impact on body, impact on body, different kind of bodies, bodies such as crashing of bullet, crashing of car, any kind of transport vehicle, right? Understand? Impact on cylinder, impact on cylinder, impact on watches, impact on bottle, impact on stump, cricket stump, right? Call velocity, right? If some body is a kick, apply velocity, right? Linear velocity, angular velocity. Clear now? For impact, duration of time, millisecond, millisecond impact occur, right? Crashing, not for 0.1 second, 0.003 second, millisecond. Clear up to here? When I start simulation software, I will discuss, right? So after complete the modeling, analysis will start. Okay. So how many software you enroll? AutoCAD first, second SolidWorks. Next, analysis. Clear up to here? So this types of theory under analysis software, not for design. Clear? Phase 1, drawing, design and drafting. Phase 2, product testing, animation and simulation. So after product testing, manufacturing of parts. Phase 3. So write down PLM phase 3. For manufacturing, convert solid part into convert solid part into IGS into STL DXF. IGS STL DXF. Clear up to here? Understand? During manufacturing, check quality of parts. Check quality of parts. Clear up to here? Create programming. What types of programming? G code, M code. Set machine for manufacturing. What types of machine? Additive manufacturing machine for inserting coloring, right? Material color. For inserting material color. Additive manufacturing machine. 3D printer. Laser cutting machine. Clear up to here? Open part under laser cutting machine software. Machine software. First do export and then import. And then import. Export in IGS, export in STL, DXF. Clear? I will show, I will show you what is IGS. Okay. What is the full form of IGS? Concept clear up to here? IGES. Initial graphic exchange specification format. This is transferring solid part to IGS format. Initial graphics exchange specification IGS. STL stereo lithography format DXF data exchange format. Data exchange format. Completed up to here. CIM full form computer integrated machine. CAPP computer aided process planning. CAQC computer aided quality control. For quality control engineer, check quality inspection, check material quality. Clear now, dear? Check delivery report. Attendance of labor comes under quality inspection. Clear now? PDM, product data management. PLM, product life cycle management. Product life cycle management. CAA, computer aided analysis. CIE, computer aided engineering. Clear? Understand totally? Completed phase 1 only for manufacturing. Clear? Got it up to here? So first session completed. Introduction of SolidWorks. So next session will start in upcoming videos. Okay.